my way. I'll get there one day, 'cause I wanna be famous. Na 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 na. I wanna be famous. I wanna be famous.
We should have just gone left. We wouldn't be in this mess.
I said so too, but then Gwen used Coda's EpiPen.
Now if he gets bitten,
My obituary's written.
Oh, what would I do then?
tied up with rope is no joke. Spears in our face, get us out of this place. Ain't having the luck that I